Welcome to the company Beurax. In this video, I will introduce you to the company's partner program and leadership bonus system. If you're used to working with a team, you're an active partner of the company or a representative in the network marketing industry, this system will be especially interesting to you. A 15-level referral program is available to each Beurax client. How it works? It is you. When people register using your referral link, they automatically become your level 1 partners, and you get up to 12% of each active partner deposit. Further, when one of these people registers new users using their referral link, these users become your level 2 partners, and you get up to 8% of each active deposit of these partners. The company's clients registered using the referral links of your partners in the second level become your partners of the third level, and you get your 3% of each active deposit of these partners. According to this principle, your structure is automatically built up to the 15th level in depth, and you get a percentage of each deposit of your partners at each level. This table shows the interest rate that you receive from deposits depending on the level of your partners and your personal rank in the company. You can read more about this table on the company's website in the bonus system section. Beurax has 12 partner ranks. Ranks Consultant, Silver Consultant, Gold Consultant, Diamond Consultant. Ranks Manager, Silver Manager, Gold Manager, Diamond Manager. Ranks Partner, Silver Partner, Gold Partner, Diamond Partner. Ranks Director, Silver Director, Gold Director, Diamond Director. The higher is your rank in the company, the higher is the percentage of active partner deposits you receive. All deposits, all your partners at all levels, form your structural capital turnover and affect your rank in the company. The principle of forming your structural capital turnover in Beurax is as follows. Level 1 partners, 100% of the partner's investment amount is added to your structural turnover. Level 2 partners, 80%. Level 3 partners, 50%. Level 4 partners, 30%. Level 5 partners, 20%. Partners of 6 to 15 levels, 10% of partners' investments are added to your structural capital turnover. For example, you have built a line of partners up to level 15. Each of them invested $1,000. From a level 1 partner, $1,000 will be added to your structural capital turnover. From a level 2 partner, $800. From a level 3 partner, $500. From a level 4 partner, $300. From a level 5 partner, $200. Partners of level from 6 to 15 will add $100 to your structural capital turnover. As a result, your structural capital turnover will be $3,800. In addition to referral bonuses, Beurax offers active partners a number of leadership bonuses. Leadership bonuses are rewarded for achieving the corresponding ranks in the company. When you reach the rank of Diamond Consultant, you get the first bonus, $1,000. The Manager rank category will bring you $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. The Partner rank category will bring you $20,000, $50,000, and $250,000. The Director rank category will bring you $500,000, $1 million, or $3 million. As you have already seen, the Beurax Partner and Bonus System provides a generous reward for all partners of the company and allows active clients to earn high profits regardless of the size of their personal deposit. Join the company and get up to 29% profit from the referral system and up to $3 million of leadership bonuses. Welcome to Beurax!